Yo, what is going on, guys? Today was crazy. My girl bought this spy call and absolutely banked on it. This was a gorgeous break and retest on the SPX chart here. I was looking at the spy chart, so I personally didn't want to take those calls just because I hate trading pre-market range, especially on a day that I know we have GDP and they're making a ruling on the tariffs. It's like, you know, I would just rather stay away. So what I did is I saw that SPY was obviously pushing to the upside along with SPX. And so had another breakout trade, Meta, which ended up, I mean, this thing's went like 300%. We sold right here. So this was, let's see, this was trim. And then, actually, this was trim. And I think I sold the rest of them right there. Because that was literally I like looked at it and I was like, oh my gosh. So I'm doing this thing where I'm not looking at my P&L until I go to sell, and so we were like right by my level, and I was like, honestly, dude, we just made a like $5, $6, $8 move. So we were up like 70% on these cons. Here, I'll show you. Um, and then just a runner alone started going crazy. So first, obviously, I got called out. That was full TP. And then in the profits chat, stock chat, I posted a picture of the levels. Profits, like you can see this thing went crazy, dude. It went crazy. I need my girl to post her profits. Let me see. Hold on. Let's do 165. Like people are eating. The game is here. You just gotta play it. Like you gotta not be scared and just play it. Um, So that was really my only trade of the day was this Meta breakout. Again, I waited for break of this key level at 647.5 and then took it to the upside. And that was great, right? I grabbed it at this retrace right here, came up, came back down, added, and then continued. And that was gorgeous. So now we're done, right? Anything after this I feel like would just be very greedy. Um, Netflix finally making a little push up. Q's obviously push up if Spy did, which is honestly kind of crazy because the ruling came back against Trump's tariffs. So that is like I don't know. That's just interesting to me how it hasn't dropped. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not even really a news guy like that. I just trade the charts and it does me good. Sometimes I'm in a trade and it just skyrockets my way. I'm like, oh, what happened? People are like, oh, the news, the news. I'm like, oh, there was news. So I'm trying to get better at that too with you guys. We got the economic calendar right there, and then we do market movers, right? So oh, this is what I look at before the day. But again, man, that's really all there was behind the trade, right? So the spy trade could have been simple break and retest of this trend and take it to these highs, right? Which is exactly what happened. Um, and that's all there is to it. Below 681.5, we're bearish, and right there we're bullish. So that's awesome. And Meta, awesome, right? But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, share, reach out. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's go. Let's learn. Let's make some money.